Namaste. Welcome to Sigma IAS. Today we will discuss about ICET examination and how to prepare for ICET examination, how to get the full marks in the ICET examination. In the ICET examination, total 200 questions are there. The time limit is only 150 minutes. The time limit is only 150 minutes. So it means for each and every question, we have only 45 seconds. For each and every question, we have only 45 seconds. So try to improve your calculation speed. Here, one important point is if you follow our traditional methods, if you follow our regular mathematical techniques, we are unable to complete the total question paper also, because 200 questions are there. If you follow the regular method, for each and every question, some questions will take more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes also. So that's why follow the speed calculation techniques. Speed calculation means Vedic math technique. In the Vedic math, so many techniques are there. So daily I will discuss 1 or 2 Vedic math techniques. And if you observe the syllabus, first one is first section is very important one, data sufficiency. Data sufficiency, 20 questions. First, please try to complete the data sufficiency, because in data sufficiency, 20 questions will cover from data sufficiency. It is very easy topic. Easily you will get 20 marks out of 20 from data sufficiency. This topic is very easy if you are good in all aptitude and reasoning topics. Actually, what is the data sufficiency? You need not to find the answer for the given question. Generally, in the data sufficiency, they will give one question. Actually, based on the question, we are unable to find the answer. Some more data is required. But after the data, they will give two statements also. That is the statement 1 and the statement 2. From which statement we are able to find the answer. To find the answer, given statement 1, first statement is sufficient or not, or only second statement is sufficient or not. Sometimes we are able to find the answer with statement 1 only. Sometimes we are able to find the answer with the statement 2 only. Sometimes with the 1 and 2 also we are unable to find the answer. But if you take the information from both 1 and 2, then only you will get the right answer. And sometimes with the statement 1 or statement 2, we are unable to find the answer. If you take both 1 and 2 statements, then only we will get the right answer. So that's why first please try to become a master in all aptitude and reasoning topics. So total 20 questions. Out of 20 questions, first 1 to 15 questions from mathematical related questions, and 16 to 20 verbal related questions. So if you are good in aptitude, the total questions are dependent on aptitude and reasoning only. So for example, how many students are there in the classroom? What is the answer? In which classroom? In the world, lakhs of classrooms are there. How many students are there in the classroom? It means we are unable to find the answer. But after the question, they may give some data. For example, in a classroom, one person got the 12th rank from top and he got the 24th rank from bottom. That is the statement 1. So if you know any one single person, top rank and bottom rank, we are able to find the answer. Okay. So same as this, find the value of x. For example, find the value of x. What is the value of x? Tell me. Till now we completed so hundreds of questions. In each and every question we got a different value for x. But what is the value of x? Here they will give two statements. For example, take statement 1. X square is equal to 25. Statement 1, x square is equal to 25. Statement 2, x is greater than 0. Now tell me which statement is sufficient. Most of the students say that statement 1 alone is sufficient, because x square is equal to 25. X value already we know root 25, that is 5 or plus 5 or minus 5. But in data sufficiency, statement 1 alone is not sufficient, because in data sufficiency, answer must and should be unique. It should be single number. But if you take statement 1, what is the statement 1? X square is equal to 25. If x square is equal to 25, what is x value? It's maybe plus 5, it's maybe minus 5. Here two possible values are there. So that's why from statement 1, we are unable to find the exact answer. Now take statement 2. What is the statement 2? X is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means infinite values are there. Infinite values. But out of all these values, which one is right? So only one alone is not sufficient. Same as it is, 2 alone is also not sufficient. If you club 1 and 2, x from statement 1, already we know that x value may be plus 5 or minus 5. According to statement 2, x value is more than 0. More than 0 means x should be positive value. X is not negative value. Therefore, minus 5 is not right answer, only plus 5. So, for this question, statement 1 and 2 together are sufficient. This is the data sufficiency. Data sufficiency. Within seconds, we are able to find the answer. But here, one more important point. Within 10 to 15 seconds only, we are able to find the answer. Don't try to find the exact answer. But here, what is the question? Is it possible to find the answer? From the given data, are you able to find the answer or not? That is important. Okay. Then next one, problem solving, 55 questions. So it is a reasoning part. Already I uploaded all the videos, especially for ICET examination. I upload all the videos in our YouTube channel. Please open the Sigma IAS YouTube channel and try to open the playlist, and also please follow the aptitude topics as well as the reasoning topics. Series, analysis, classification, coding and decoding, directions, time and distance, each and every topic already I uploaded. The next one, 25 questions from series, analogy, odd man out, and next one is 10 questions from table, graph diagram, bar diagrams. That is data analysis. Data analysis from data analysis, 10 questions will cover. And one more important point, very, very, very important one, coding and decoding. Coding and decoding, 10 questions will cover from only coding and decoding. Only from coding and decoding, 10 questions. It is very, very important. Today, take any competitive examination, either it's maybe ICET or LACET or Group 1 or Group 2 or NET or whatever it may be, take any competitive examination. One of the important topic is the coding and decoding. Take any competitive examination, minimum 1 or 2 questions will cover from this coding and decoding. For example, at least one question is not covered from coding and decoding in any examination. It indicates reasoning is not a part of syllabus. If the reasoning is a part of syllabus, no doubt 1 or 2 questions will cover from coding and decoding. Especially in our ICET examination, 10 questions will cover from coding and decoding. The next one is date, time, arrangement problems, calendar problems, calendar, clock. Only from these topics, 10 more questions will cover from this topic. 10 more questions. The next one is section B. Section A 75 marks. Section B also 75 marks. 75 plus 75, only 150 marks from maths, aptitude, and also reasoning. And remaining 50 questions from general English. Okay, so try to get minimum 130 or 140 question, 140 marks from only section A and section B. Out of 150, try to get 130 or 140 marks. And from English, if you got minimum 30 or 40, you'll get the good rank in the ICET examination. And in section B also arithmetical ability, that is the ratio and proportion, percentages, sorts, LCM and SCF, rational numbers, percentages, profit and loss, partnership. Okay, these topics are very easy. So many simple techniques are there. Don't try to find the answer in our regular method. Don't try to find the answer in regular method. Follow the simple techniques, shortcut techniques for each and every topic. Already I uploaded videos in our YouTube channel, Sigma IAS YouTube channel. Then next one, mean median mode. Only from mean median mode, 10 more marks will be covered. 10 marks will cover from mean median mode. And one of our friend says that okay, Syed Ibrahim, good evening. Reddy sir, good evening. Anasali, hi. And Sai, how to not waste time during exams, sir? Because many of us stuck at one question and forgot to focus on other questions. Yeah, very good question. Sai, see here, if you are first step, first round, how to find the answers. First round, first read the question. If you know the answer, find the answer. Okay. But sometimes some questions within 5 to 10 seconds also we are able to find the answer. Some questions will take 15 seconds, 20 seconds, or 30 seconds also. Try to find the answer. But some questions already you know the answer. You know the answer, but you don't know the shortcut technique for that question. It will take 2 minutes or 3 minutes. For example, if it will take 2 minutes or 3 minutes, just round the question. Okay, don't try to find the answer. Don't waste your time in the examination. If you know the answer, but already you know that the question will take minimum 2 minutes or 3 minutes, so then round the circle the question, then skip the question, then find the answer for the remaining questions also. Then finally, once again, second round, open this circle questions, then try to find the answer. The time is very, very less. And finally, one more important point, after completing the total question papers, out of 200 questions, for example, you don't know the 20, you don't know the answer for 50 questions. 50 questions are looks like Greek and Latin. If you're unable to find the answer for these 50 questions, then what can we do now? So we don't know the answer for the 50 questions. Then here only one simple technique. Choose all are A's or all are B's, all are C's, all are D's. Select any one option only. Okay. Select any one option. For example, you don't know the answer for 50 questions. Select all A's or all B's or all B's or all D's. Approximately you will get 1/4 of marks for these questions also. And some questions we are unable, we don't know the answer, but from elimination process also we will get the right answer for the questions. Okay. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow also I will take the top ICET examination mental ability and logical reasoning part. Please try to attend the classes. Please inform to your friends also. Tomorrow also I will take the class at 9:15 p.m. 9:15 p.m. And today I gave the only just a brief introduction about the ICET examination. But tomorrow I will take any one topic. Tomorrow I will take one topic and I will explain. And if you have any doubt, just send the message to my WhatsApp number also. So the number is so please save my number. The number is here on the screen. So, and if you have any doubt, please send the details to this WhatsApp number. I will clarify your doubts in the YouTube channel also. So tomorrow at 9:15, I will take one topic, and please share this video to your friends and like this video and subscribe for future updates. Thank you. Wish you all the best.